I was way better equipped than many of my peers to succeed at university. Is AP Maths worth it? In order to answer that question, I want to share my experience in terms of studying this subject. When I was in high school, I took Maths, additional mathematics, which has now been recalled Advanced Program Mathematics in its new structure. And I then went on to study chemical engineering and went on to do a master's in chemical engineering. I can speak from experience that I was way better equipped than many of my peers to succeed at university. And by virtue of that fact, it unlocked many doors to me at a tertiary level, including scholarships for study and scholarships towards future employment, where I worked at Sasol for many years. The advanced programs are really something that sets you up for success at a tertiary level, and I can really attest to the fact that you will find them endlessly beneficial for a number of reasons.